You don't have to rely on medications for stomach ulcers. Nature has provided an incredible solution right in your kitchen. So give cabbage juice a try and have a healthier, happier gut. Before moving into the health benefits of cabbage juice, let's first discuss the recipe. You will need 1/4 head of cabbage, 2 carrots, 1 large stick of celery, and 250 ml water. Place all of the ingredients in a blender and process for 3 to 4 minutes. Strain the mixture and drink immediately. You can multiply the ingredients to make a daily batch, but this should be made fresh every day for the best effects. Drink this juice 2 to 3 times per day, along with your regular meals. If you've ever tried cabbage juice or have your own natural remedies, let us know in the comments below. Now let's discuss the health benefits of cabbage juice for treating stomach ulcers and gastritis. Cabbage juice is one of nature's most powerful alkaline foods and can be used to boost the overall health of the body. Many people do not realize that a simple head of cabbage can be blended and strained to create a healing juice for all types of stomach ulcers. Cabbage juice is an excellent source of potassium, sulfur, chlorine, iodine, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and vitamin U. Vitamin U is a special enzyme that heals the stomach, digestive system, and intestinal tract. It is found in green vegetables, such as cabbage, kale, parsley, and celery. Drinking cabbage juice regularly for 2 to 3 days has been shown to alleviate pain related to stomach ulcers and cure them entirely within 3 weeks. The glutamic acid in cabbage juice helps restore the stomach's natural pH level, reduces acid reflux, and triggers healing within the stomach lining. Drinking this regularly will also help heal ulcerative colitis and other digestive system problems. The glutamic acid is particularly powerful in this regard. Cabbage juice should not be consumed on its own, as it has a strong flavor that may trigger vomiting in those with stomach acid issues. Adding carrots, celery, and water makes the juice more palatable and easier to drink. Do not underestimate the power of this remedy. Drinking it regularly can keep the stomach strong and help prevent peptic and gastric ulcers in the future. You can also blend in other cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli or kale for additional benefits. If you're finding this information useful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated for my latest health and nutrition tips. Cabbage and other cruciferous vegetables have been shown to prevent cancer when consumed raw and regularly. This is especially effective in reducing the risk of breast cancer. Studies have shown that drinking cabbage juice lowers blood cholesterol levels, helping to prevent heart disease later in life. Red cabbage contains a higher amount of vitamin C, so consider adding it to your diet and salads to boost your immune system. Sauerkraut, a form of fermented cabbage, is one of the best foods for improving bowel health. It feeds the friendly bacteria in the intestines, allowing your body to absorb more nutrients from the foods you eat. If you suffer from a thyroid condition, be sure to consult your doctor before consuming large amounts of cabbage juice, as certain vegetables can aggravate thyroid issues. Cabbage juice is rich in vitamin K and antioxidants, which reduce the risk of cataracts, glaucoma, and macular degeneration with age, thus protecting your eyes from free radical damage. You may notice improvements in your vision when drinking this juice regularly, as it helps the lenses and muscles in your eyes focus more easily. So it was all about my today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more videos. As always, I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness. I'll be back with an excellent video next time. Until that, take care of yourself.